How can you make grapes last for months? Stay tuned to find out how easy it is. Hey, good looking. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel, Healthy and Happy. This is where I share my personal journey in finding healthy routines in a day without enough hours. These are just the things that work for me, but my hope is that I can help others find things that work for them as well. Start by getting yourself a bowl that will hold all of the grapes. Then go ahead and start picking off the grapes one by one. And I will also add that this is a great task for a kid if you would like for your kids to get involved in some of the cooking or the food prep that you do. This one is a really easy one that they can successfully do for you. Line a cookie sheet with a paper towel and pour all the grapes over the pan and spread them out. Place them in the freezer. You're probably going to need to spread them out again. And freeze for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, they should be frozen all the way through, and you can place them in a storage bowl to keep in the freezer. Now, you very well could have just put the grapes in the bowl and then the bowl in the freezer, but they likely would stick together a little more so than if you put them out on the sheet. To keep things super easy though, you can just put the bowl straight in the freezer if you don't have time to put them on the cookie sheet or if you don't have room in your freezer. And there you have it, an easy, healthy, quick treat. And one that kids particularly love. Now what I want to know is, have any other ideas for ways we can use frozen grapes? Leave a comment below for the community of other healthy and happy Seagologists, and let's keep this conversation going. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more practical ways to stay healthy and happy, hit the subscribe button. Remember to also visit the description box below where there's more recipes and links to related videos. It's been real fun, y'all. I'll see you in the next video for another dose of healthy. You will see a couple of videos on your screen if you want to check out any of my other content.